Good evening, students. Today's topic is amino acids and structure. So we know we have 20 amino acids. Today we are going to write the structures of 20 amino acids. Before we start, what is meant by an amino acid? The acidic group COOH, the basic group NH2, if they are present in the organic compound, you call it as an amino acid. If you write the general structure of amino acid, we can represent like this. We will keep the other structures as it is and change only R group. Now let us see. What is the unit of pressure? Pascal. So there is a simple method. Unit of pressure is Pascal. So I have written this. At the end I will write TP. Change P to G. Now I can read it as Pascal TP. Using this, let us write the first 8 amino acids. Now G stands for glycine, A stands for alanine, S is serine, C is cysteine, A aspartic acid, L lysine, T is tyrosine, and P is proline. First we have written the names. Now all the amino acids are represented by 3 alphabets. Underline first 3, you will get GLY. Alanine is represented by ALA, serine SER, cysteine CYS, aspartic acid ASP, lysine LYS, tyrosine TYR, and proline is written as PR. So now we have got the names, symbols. Next, what is R in this amino acids? First and foremost thing, I'll write glycine, R is H, alanine, methyl group, serine. To remember this, let us have functional group what is present in this, like OH group is the functional group. This is sulfur containing amino acid, and aspartic acid is an acidic amino acid. Lysine, basic amino acid. Tyrosine, aromatic amino acid. Proline, heterocyclic amino acid. So if you write like this, it is easy for us to write what is R. Now CH2OH represents serine, CH2SH represents cysteine, and acidic group, if at all you are having 2 COOH groups, then it will be considered to be acidic. So R group will be CH2COOH. Next, lysine is basic. So CH2 4 methylene groups are present, NH2 group. Aromatic ring is present, and at para position, you know para position, OH. So this is R. Now the last one, heterocyclic. It is not R, but complete amino acid is heterocyclic. What is hetero? Different atoms are present. Suppose cyclohexane contains all carbons, but in proline you have nitrogen here. So other than carbon you also have nitrogen, then you call it as heterocyclic. So proline is a heterocyclic amino acid. What is the complete structure of that? We can write like this. So COOH and the H, here we have CH2 group. So this is considered to be proline. So hope you have understood this. Now how to write the structure? Glycine. Suppose you want to draw the structure of glycine. We know H is the R group, so in the place of R, we can write H. Now this will become the structure of glycine. Second one, alanine. For alanine, you know R group is CH3. So here we have to write CH3 group. So keep on changing only R group. Similarly, serine, cysteine, aspartic acid, all these we can write the structures of these amino acids. Using this simple mnemonic, we can write these amino acids. Hope you have understood this. Now let us proceed with the remaining amino acids. So let me tell one small incident. I have a friend called Chetan Patel. So in the park early morning I met him, so he has wished me. So how to write that? Patil, Patil. He was wearing a hat. So Patil with the hat said, "Very good morning, G." Very good morning, G. So you know, a simple sentence. My friend Patil saw me in the park. He was wearing a hat and he said, "Very good morning, G." So with this, what alphabets we get? Patil, Hat, VGM and G. VGM, G. If you remember this, we can get the alphabets. Using this, how to write the name of amino acids? First one, phenylalanine. Next, asparagine, tryptophan. I is isoleucine. L, leucine. H, histidine. A, arginine. T, threonine. V, valine. G, glutamine. M, methionine. And the last one, G, glutamic acid. So very easy. So Patil with the hat said, "Very good morning, G." Using this, we can write the amino acids. So with this, we have covered all the 20 amino acids. Now how to write the symbols? For this, first three alphabets PHE. Next, here AS and underline N, you will get ASN. Next, TR and P. So TRP. TRP stands for tryptophan. Next, isoleucine. I and LE. So ILE will be the symbol for isoleucine. Next, LEU stands for leucine. HIS, ARG, THR. So underline the first three alphabets and write the symbols. Next, VAL for valine. Now here GL and N. GLN. Next, MET, and last here it is GLE. Hope you have understood this. We have got the amino acids and we have written the symbols. Next, one by one I'll tell you how to draw the structures. And let us see. Keep remembering your general formula, that is write like this and R. So we are writing R group now. Fine. So let me arrange this. First let us write 5 amino acids. it will be easy for you. Then we will write 4 amino acids. Finally, we will complete the remaining 3. Now, first one, CH2 phenyl group. So, what we have to do is, for phenylalanine, write CH2 phenyl group. Next, for ASN, write CH2 group and amide. So, we have to write amide group, CH2 and amide. So, first 2 are completed. Next, for tryptophan, 6-membered ring you write, then connect one 5-membered ring, NH, and here you put CH2 group. So CH2 will be connecting here. Hope you have understood. 6-membered ring, then 5, then put CH2 and NH. Fine. Next step, isoleucine, CH, CH2, CH3, and here CH3. So this is R group. Now for leucine, the same thing. Here CH and CH3. One more CH3 is connected here. So this will be the R group. For the first 5 amino acids, I have written this. You can simply substitute this R group here and you will get the respective amino acids. Hope you have understood this. Now, the remaining we will write like this. Now we are writing for histidine. Write 5-membered ring, NH, CH2 and NH here. So this will be your R group. Next, for arginine, CH2 groups 3 methylene groups, NH-C double bond NH, and here one more NH2 group. So write CH2 3, then NH-C-NH. So here double bond, and the remaining NH2 also will be written here. So with this we can say that amino group is there, it will be basic. Next, threonine, CH-CH3, and here put one OH group. Very simple. Next one also you write in the same way, but instead of OH group, write one methyl here. That will be the R group for valine. So hope you have understood this. 5-membered ring, NH, CH2 for histidine. Next, for this 3 methylene groups, NHC double bond NH and the amino group. Next, CH-CH3, CH-CH3 we wrote, but for threonine, alcohol, and for valine, write methyl group. Hope you have understood this. Now the last 3 amino acids, that is glutamine, methionine and glutamic acid. Take CH2 groups, that is 2 methylene groups, 2 methylene groups we have. Then here amide linkage will be the R group for glutamine. S-methyl group will be the R group for methionine, and last one glutamic acid. Acid is there, so carboxylic acid group. So using this method, we can completely write the structure of all 20 amino acids. Now for example, let us see, you want to write the structure of glutamine. Take the general structure of amino acid. In the place of R, if you want to write glutamine, take this. So CH2 taken twice I wrote, and then write amide linkage. If you want to write methionine, instead of amide linkage, here you will get S-methyl group. Suppose you want to write glutamic acid, you will write COOH group. So hope you have understood the method to write the structure of 20 amino acids. Thank you so much.